He had his head ducked away. That's a rip. Minimal over my arms.
Oh, already, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, it's okay.
No, you stay just like that. That's the perfect posture for you.
Oh, he's not happy.
He's spitting like it's crazy.
Here we go.
Please don't try and kill snakes.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
Please don't do that. Accept that sometimes a person's broke, they can't afford to pay the call out fee. Just be honest with me. Tell me I'm broke, I can't pay the call out fee.
Yeah.